Welcome to M-tec's world of dry mortar technology. The M-tec Multitechnik GmbH forms part of the internationally operating Maxit Group and is based in the southwesternmost corner of Germany, where three countries meet: Germany, France and Switzerland. Here in Neuenburg, machines and silo placing units are assembled. M-tec supplies transport, conveying and application systems for the construction industry. As dry mortar specialists, we'd like to explain the subject to you. Dry mortar is defined as factory-made and quality-controlled mixtures of sands, binders and additives which are transported dry to the construction site and applied there after adding water. Dry mortar is exceptionally versatile. For instance, it can be used as masonry mortar, internal and external render, or coloured decoration render, as bonding cement or filler for insulating systems, as cement-based screed or flowing screed. Before dealing with the production of dry mortar, let's look at the raw materials. The basis for the production of dry mortar is a suitable raw material resource. The most important component is sand, which can be obtained from limestone. Or from mined gravel. Or from natural sands from riverbeds. Follow us into a modern computer-controlled dry mortar production plant as constructed by the M-tec Plant Engineering Department. So, how is dry mortar made? There are different storage silos for sands, binders and additives. The sands and the binders are weighed separately in high-volume scales and the additives in high-precision scales for small portions. Finally, gravel and sands are added and the scale's contents are simultaneously emptied into the mixer. The M-tec mixer is a single-shaft machine operating on the principle of centrifugal mixing. Within a very short time, the product is homogeneously mixed and can be emptied into a hopper. From the hopper, the dry mortar is conveyed either to the packing machine for bulk loading or into storage silos. The M-tec mixer was specially constructed for the production of dry building materials, such as dry mortar and similar products. It guarantees the utmost homogeneity within a minimum mixing time. Dry mortar products are sold as bagged products or, more efficiently, as bulk products. Meanwhile, the idea of dry mortar has been adapted all over the world. Here you can see some of the production plants which M-tec has erected. how does the dry mortar get to the construction site? With transport silos on special vehicles. An important design feature is the M-tec two-point lifting system, which ensures the highest degree of safety during transport, as well as precision during placement of the silos. Now we come to the various applications for dry mortar. Let's start, as on the construction site, with masonry mortar. The M-tec pneumatic conveying system demonstrates its advantages, especially when high-rise buildings are to be erected. It's possible to combine several compressors to pneumatically convey the dry material directly into the application machine, which may be placed on any floor. The M-tec silo mixing station is another variant of masonry mortar application, allowing fresh mortar to be conveyed at the push of a button from the continuous mixer into the crane skip. Similarly, when applying renders, the dry mortar is conveyed directly to the point of demand at the plastering machine. Here, the M-tec Duo Mix. The special feature of this machine is its two mixing zones, which allow the material to be homogeneously mixed. This guarantees optimum and consistent mortar quality. Another application for dry mortar is floor screed. In the conventional method, a floor screed machine must be fed, and this conveys the material in its damp condition to where it's applied in a somewhat laborious procedure. A much more rational system is the innovative method of transporting flowing screed as a dry mortar product by means of the M-tec transporting and conveying system to its point of application. Especially designed for this application is the mixing pump that's bolted directly onto the silo. The system is ready for use in no time. From now on, you can also have floor screed at the push of a button. This system represents a modern and simple application method that doesn't require the operator to get down on his hands and knees any longer. The M-tec system also offers new possibilities for special products like spraying concrete, for example. Here too, the advantages of dry mortar over the traditional manual preparation are evident. Spraying concrete can be used in this way for numerous purposes, both easily and economically. The new M-tec 1 cubic meter mini silos are an excellent example of the need to react quickly to changing market demands, for instance, for small quantities. The service M-tec offers begins with the analysis of raw materials and continues right through to product and system training.
Light material for insulation mortar.
At M-tec, we are aware of the importance of training and service for our customers, and we make sure that this always matches the practical needs. And not only in Neuenburg, but all over the world. where the idea of dry mortar is spreading. The world of M-tec.